Up, y'all? Let's listen to Mr. Kapil Sibal, a Supreme Court lawyer, and what he thinks about legality.
democracy. The moment there is no equity, there is no justice. And if there is no justice, there is no democracy.
So, right.
I must tell you, they are very large heart. Judiciary has a very large heart. They don't.
Okay, and what do you do for relaxation? I know you write poetry. What else? Art?
कल ही
I
मैंने
believe.
picture देखी.
Now, you just heard him say equity, legality, democracy doesn't seem to be there. I mean, clearly, he also said that the Supreme Court the courts have a large heart. I feel like in that large heart, maybe there's a small hole where a few people, a home resides, where it's absolutely blind to them. Probably, hopefully not.
What is that?
Okay, and travel and art. I believe you love collecting art.
Oh yeah. I've actually.
You're a connoisseur.
It's no. Art is my bloodstream. Or any form of art, whether it's painting or it's music or it's.
Art is in his bloodstream. Well, it is in my bloodstream also. I think if we had a better education system, we all would be artists plus something else. We would be something and we would be something. But it doesn't seem to be so, because they want to disrupt speech, the ability to speak, the ability to flow the damn tongue like the way we want, just the way they want to make it look like it's alcohol. Why disrupt the mic? Yeah. So anyway, next.
Sculpture or it's part of my bloodstream.
So let me come to that whole thing about the wealth redistribution and the caste census. That's not going away, and it seems a little bizarre that in 2024 we are still talking about caste and religion. It's come back to the basics. It shouldn't be the basics, but it's come back to the basics. We are still talking about. We're not talking about anything else. G20, Mandir. We're not talking about any of that.
It's not relevant. And I always used to say, even when the Mandir movement started, what is contemptuous in this? What is contemptuous in this?
When you say it's not a golden period.
It is not a golden period. I say so. It's not a golden period for democracy in this country. It is not a golden period for the media of this country. It is not a golden period for the election commission of this country. It's not a golden period for the governors of this country. It's not a golden period for India.
For when you say
Now, didn't he just rap? If you place a beat and maybe a nice guitar, or maybe some synth, he would be a rapper. I'm only saying that we have to have enough skills for the next coming years, and therefore, I don't think we should look at it in a pathetic way. Freedom.